My caselet number 3 is the caselet number 4, the stain uniform. This is the scenario. A large batch of new restaurant uniform made of a polyester cotton blend returned from the on-premise laundry with permanent and grease and oil stains. The uniform were washed is standard cycle with other items. The uniform vendor has warned that these stains are now set due to improper washing and drying manager or drying. Um, Question number one is beyond a simple sorting error, what are the case cascading operational failures that led to the stain become set and permanent? Uh, my answer is failures include not pre-treating stains using incorrect wash cycle, improper water temperature, wrong detergents, overloading machines, and drying before confirming stain removal. And their number two question is develop a clear multi-step standards, operation procedure or SOP for handling heavily solid uniform from the moment they arrive at the laundry to the final washing cycle. Number one step, there's 7 steps. Number one, sort uniforms by soil level. Number two is pre-treat stain with appropriate solution. Number three, select correct wash cycle and temperature. And number four, use proper detergent amount. Avoid overloading machines. And number six, inspect for stains before drying. And the last one is seven, rewash if needed. Number three question, what are the financial implication of this mistake? And how would you justify the cost of implementing a new uniform pre-treatment system to senior manager? As a manager, I will financial impact include or um, uniform replacement cost, increased laundry expenses, and potential brand damage. Justify a pre-treatment system by showing its ROI through reduced replacement cost and improved uniform lifespan. And the last one, number four, how would you create a system of checks and balances within laundry team to ensure this doesn't happen again? I will implement like um, training, um, checklist, regular inspection, cross training, and a reporting system. That's all. Thank you.